In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to combine shapes in Microsoft Word. Creating custom visuals in Microsoft Word is easier than most people think, and one of the most useful tools for this is the group function. Grouping shapes allows you to combine multiple shapes into a single object, making it easier to move, resize, or format them together. This method is perfect for diagrams, flowcharts, or any time you want multiple shapes to behave as one unit. To start, open your Microsoft Word document and insert the shapes you want to combine. You can do this by going to the Insert tab, clicking Shapes, and selecting the shapes you need. Click and drag on the page to draw each shape. Once your shapes are inserted, position them in the arrangement you want. They can overlap or just sit next to each other. Grouping will allow you to treat them as one object regardless of their placement. After arranging the shapes, it's time to select them all. Hold down the Control key on your keyboard, then click each shape you want to group. Selecting multiple shapes at once ensures that the group function will include every shape you want to combine. Once all the shapes are selected, go to the Shape Format tab that appears at the top of the screen. In the Arrange section, you'll see the Group option. Click it, and then select Group from the drop-down menu. You can also right-click on one of the selected shapes and choose Group from the context menu. Once grouped, all the shapes will behave as a single object. Now that your shapes are grouped, you can move them together, resize them as one, or apply formatting changes without affecting each individual shape. This makes it much easier to keep your design consistent and maintain alignment. If you need to make adjustments later, you can always ungroup the shapes by selecting the group, going back to the Group option, and clicking Ungroup. Using the Group tool in Microsoft Word is a simple and effective way to manage multiple shapes. It keeps your layout organized and allows you to create professional-looking diagrams and visuals without extra software. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.